Man, what's that video say? This thing is nice. What's this do? Huh. Ain't got no screen on it. Let's see here. There she is. Let's get this off of here like this. That was the easiest thing ever to hook in. Not. It pushes down, so it doesn't wiggle. Oh, good. What's this? Ooh. Oh, yeah. This stuff's really good. Been using it on my Cobra 3 Max because they don't make a sticky plate for it yet. Yeah, works great. I like how the only thing I had to put on so far is this and this. The glue stick, tools, a little bit of filler. You can see everything's on the ground. I ordered a shelf from Menards. Well, it did not. Oh, hi, Woody and Buzz. It didn't come in yet, so they had the wood pieces in stock, but not the rack. So, oh, I forgot a crucial step. You gotta remove these bolts from transport. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Get the little bag out. All 3 are out. And about this, that I heard from Tooling Lee, these have 2 sides, like most of them do, but one is for a sticky plate, 30 degrees Celsius. The other is just regular textured PEI, so that's cool. Okay, I gotta borrow some power. Is that okay? Little mini? What? No, yep. All right, we'll do it. Yeah. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Oh, and pow. Create the future. I feel like I've heard that somewhere. Yeah, my Japanese isn't great. Go English. Remove the 3 screws. I did that. It's nice it tells you, just like Bamboo's does. Ensure it's free of foreign objects. Looks good to me. Side A facing up. There's no build plate in there. Oh, yeah. I do like, there's a guide. Hard to see. So you can't really put it in there wrong, or else it'll be way up on top of that guide. Which I know there's a guide for the Bamboo too, but it's just that one little one. So that's nice. It's like a tray almost. Alright, self-check completed. Network. Alright, got the password in. And connected. Nice. The screen's nice and responsive and not bad at all. I like it. Let's see here. Check for updates. New version detected. Wow, that makes fast things look not fast. 100%. Let's go. Don't be stuck. Oh, it's unzipping. Oh, don't watch that. 100. Updating. Good printer. I don't know. Oh, hi. Oh, it looks like it's restarting itself, maybe? The screen went black. Fan shut off. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. I was gonna flip the build plate, but let's get this moving. Let's go 30 millimeters. Oh, let's just home it. Turn to home. Should be. A lot of different colors up here. Let's try something. That's still brand new. Cool. Let's try this SliceWorks PLA